how are you doing? In today's video, I want to share to you the easiest way to cook one of my favorite fish in a healthy way. It's called pan-seared salmon fillet. Without further ado, let's jump in! In this recipe, we only need 3 main ingredients. A 200 grams of fresh salmon fillet, 1 piece of medium-sized lemon to remove the fish taste and to make it juicier, and since it's a healthy way, we will cook it in unsalted butter. And of course, the salt and pepper to taste. Let's start to pat dry the salmon with a paper towel. In this way, cooking time will be reduced. Oh, I'm so sorry for my wet hands. Right after drying, cut the salmon into fillets. In this case, some parts are thick, so we have to slice them in the middle to cook equally. Next step is to add salt and pepper to the salmon for the seasoning. Now let's put half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper on each side. Scatter around the salt and pepper to mix it. Then turn on the other side and do the same. And that's it. Now let's set it aside. Bring out the grater and grate the lemon peel to get a zest of about half a teaspoon. After we get the zest, we can now squeeze the lemon to get 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now let's start to cook it. In a large pan with a medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, stir and swirl. Cook it until the butter starts to brown, or which takes about 5 minutes. Our butter is perfectly brown and ready. Now let's add the salmon fillets and cook 3 to 4 minutes on the first side and another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. In the last 2 minutes of cooking, add the lemon zest that we grate and the lemon juice. The sauce! Spoon the sauce over the salmon as it cooks. In this way, we keep the moist and to enhance the flavor as well. Just as soon as the salmon is cooked through, transfer it to a serving plate. It depends on you if you wanted to drizzle the sauce or not. Since the partner of my salmon is a soup, I prefer my salmon a little bit dry. Look at that moist! Just to share to you, when you start eating it, you will be wanting more and more and crave for it even it's in front of you already. Go and try this, you will love it just as much as I do. And that's it! Our salmon fillet is ready to eat. It's best to partner it with some mixed veggies. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Be good!